If you want this cool gradient text effect in your website or in your client's website, make sure to watch this video until the end. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I'm a web designer and a social media manager. I sell my service to local businesses, and now I'm trying to teach you how to do the same. So let's get back to the video. To implement this text gradient effect, we are inside the GoHighLevel website builder. For the sake of this video, I have removed the existing CSS codes from inside the website to show you how to put this gradient style. In order to implement the text gradient effect, you have to go into GoHighLevel code snippets. If you already have it, that's great. If you don't have it, check the link in the description. The sale runs out in 2 months, which is end of Feb 2025. As you can see, that's something called text styles, and you have to simply copy this code, go inside the builder, custom CSS, paste the code and save it. And you have to copy the custom CSS value of the text you're going to change. Copy the CSS selector, go inside the custom CSS, and you have to change the value alone. Don't change anything else. Copy and paste, save. Voila, it's that simple. And if you want to change on the subheading and the paragraph, you can do that as well. Advanced, copy, comma, enter. If it's a subheading, you have to use the value h2, which is like this. Save. There you go. And you can change the paragraphs as well. Go select the CSS, go inside, comma. Since it's a paragraph, use the value p, and there you go. It's that simple. And make sure to use it only on certain places. Don't fool around like this. It doesn't look good. For example, like this, only on the hero section, which will looks nice. And if you want to use this dynamic rolling effect, you can also find it inside the GoHighLevel code snippets, which is inside the description. If you want to change the colors inside the text gradient, you can do that as well. Go inside the custom CSS. As you can see, there's 3 different colors. You can pick your own colors. At the moment, it has blue, purple, or indigo, or reddish pink. But you can have your own color palette to match your own style of the website. So get this GoHighLevel code snippets, link in the description, and start making epic websites for you and your clients. I hope you got some value out of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.